I nominated Calab Wagner for the Roofing Inspires campaign for what he's been able to accomplish in short 7 years here at West Roofing Systems. Out of high school, Calab came on as a laborer. Today, he's one of our best foremen and recently completed one of the more difficult jobs that I've seen in over 20 years at a nuclear weapons facility. Calab went in, handled the project. Everything I see him do on a daily basis inspires me.
First off, I gotta give a shout out to my crew, because without those guys, I'm not where I'm at without those guys. Been here since 2011. Started as a dirt laborer, just like everybody else has, and climbed through the ranks. And I met a lot of good people, had a lot of fun, and it's been a good time. I can't wait to see where it goes from here.
Calab brings an extremely positive attitude when he's interacting with his crew and even the other members of the entire organization. You can always count on Calab to be upbeat, motivational in his own unique ways. He definitely has a great charisma and puts a smile on everybody's face. It's great to be around.